20th century was a groundbreaking period in physics. We solved many problems, but there are still mysteries remain. Today we will talk about one of the strangest human discoveries ever, black holes. We will try to uncover hidden secrets of the universe together. But first, let's move elsewhere. Imagine that there is a matter that is packed tightly with the enormous force of gravity. It's so powerful that nothing can ever escape it, even the light. It may sound a bit weird, but if we look how does it actually form, everything will be clear.
There are billions of the stars in the universe, and some of them are alive. In other words, they produce nuclear fusions. Within the chemical reactions, star also produces huge amount of energy, which mostly comes in the form of radiation. That energy pushes against gravity, and that is how star remains stable. New elements are producing unless the iron is created. Then, star runs out of the fuel.
If the star was bigger than the three solar masses, the unbalanced force of gravity would destroy its core immediately. The star dies in the supernova explosion. The more massive the star was, the greatest force of gravity it has. So the star collapses on its own weight and gives birth to the black hole. Black holes were first mentioned by Mitchell in 1783, but scientists started to be interested in it only when Einstein discovered strange paradox in his equations. Later, only Karl Schwarzschild found a solution for them, which is known in terms of the Schwarzschild radius, that is also similar to the event horizon. As it can be seen by a formula, the more massive the star was, the biggest Schwarzschild radius it will get. What is event horizon? Basically, it's just an invisible border between enormous force of the gravity and safety. But wait a second, we all heard that there is an opportunity for traveling into the black hole. Then you are completely wrong. Black holes are not really suitable for traveling, except if you wish to be dead within a second.
As we already know, nothing happens unless you cross the event horizon. We even could replace the sun with a black hole, we would just freeze to death. Because of the gravity, according to the Einstein theory of relativity, time will fly slower when you'll be near the event horizon. When you cross the border, you will watch the rest of the universe moving with the unbelievable speed right in front of you. Your friend will just see you moving slower and slower until you disappear completely. We can't tell what will exactly going on in the black hole, because we have no living examples. But it's either death in a second or in a moment. Black hole's gravity curves space so much that inside the black hole you'll be pulled straight to the center of it all, the singularity. Suppose that the singularity might be infinitely dense, so all mass will be concentrated in one place, as well it might have no volume at all. Even in a few steps closer to the center, you might be pretty dead. But there is also an opportunity to explore surroundings of the supermassive black hole. As the mass of the supermassive black hole is greater than the ordinary, the event horizon would be greater. Hence, the distance to singularity and death would be bigger. There are several known black holes in our universe, and the most famous one is located in the center of the Milky Way galaxy. The Sun rotates around the black hole as the Earth rotates around the Sun. Mostly, we divide black holes into three groups: supermassive ones of the millions of solar masses, medium, that are weighing about 1,000 suns, and stellar, the smallest ones with the several solar masses.
Unfortunately, it's hard to find any black holes in outer space as long as they don't emit any electromagnetic radiation. So far, we can only observe matter and gas nearby. There is also hypothetical Hawking radiation that black holes emit if we look closer for the quantum effects. However, without the clear experiment, its status remains in doubt. Black holes topics still have many open questions, but we all have time to explore strange new worlds, discover the secrets of the universe, and to boldly go where no man has gone before.